Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, esteemed colleagues and fellow advocates for a sustainable future. Wherever you are in the world, it is an honor to stand before you today as one of the international speaker on a topic that is paramount to our collective future, the 17 SDGs, the perception of scholars around the global world 2030. As we examine the vast landscape of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, each one a critical piece of the puzzle for a better world. My personal journey, as detailed in my article, Cultivating Future, my journey as an educator and entrepreneur in advancing the SDG 8 has been intertwined with SDG 8, decent work, and economic growth. From my perspective as an educator, business professional, and events organizer here in the Philippines, SDG 8 isn't just a goal, it's a guiding philosophy. It's about ensuring that economic progress is inclusive, dignified, and benefits everyone. Through my work in technical and vocational education, I've been firsthand how transforming skills can translate into tangible economic contributions. We've implemented best practices like strong industry collaboration, ensuring our training programs are relevant and directly address the needs of the job market. We've embrace competency based training, empowering individuals with practical skills that leads to successful careers. And crucially, we prioritize accessible learning, breaking down financial barriers through scholarship, aligning with national efforts like the Decent Work Country program. These efforts aren't just about teaching, they're about creating pathways are out of poverty and contributing to the broader mission of SDG number 8. Witnessing our graduates land jobs and even start their own business is the most rewarding aspect of this work. And of course, the path isn't without challenges. The rapidly evolving landscape of the fourth industrial revolution demands that we continuously adapt. Our TVET strategies, or the technical vocational education and training strategies, must be agile and flexible to prepare future ready graduates. And this is where technology plays a transformative role by integrating blended learning models and digital tools. We can extend the reach of education, particularly to those in remote areas, ensuring inclusivity and equity in economic participation. As scholars and practitioners around the globe, our perception of the SDGs must be one of the shared responsibility and urgent action. Empowering today's youth through education is an investment in a future where decent work and economic stability are within reach for everyone. Let us foster partnership, drive innovation, and work together to lift communities out of hardship and inspire a new generation equipped with the skills to thrive. Thank you for joining me in this vital mission towards a brighter and more equitable future for all. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at maraming salamat po.